So we are a hardcore Philly company. We are headquartered out of Philadelphia, and we have now 3 wholly owned subsidiaries out of Malaysia, India, and Chile. We overall employ 54 people full-time today. I've seen my mother-in-law go through breast cancer treatment, which led me to understand the global impact this woman's cancer is having, and the impact of lack of access to early detection is having on overall survival, and how making that access possible at a scale would massively shift the scale in improving the survival. That was the core of the genesis behind starting this effort. So, realizing that technology, science, and innovation can actually bridge that gap, for that lack of access to early detection, is when I jumped in with my partners in doing this work and trying to develop solutions that can make the life-saving access of early detection reach women in far-off places. So I'm super excited to share that by now our innovations have reached more than 2 million women globally. And with the partnerships and the collaborations that we have, this work is going to expand furthermore. And so what I'm most proud of is to see a piece of technology, a piece of IP, a patent reach all the way to women in rural areas in many, many countries. That is phenomenal to me as an engineer. Over the years, we've been through multiple products and innovations and inherently different patents. We've worked with academic partners like Drexel University, and we've licensed their entire IP portfolio at times in order to make a product reach the market. And more recently, we have developed in-house IP and have filed for patent protection in multiple countries around the world. The next few years are going to be super exciting. We are going to be able to reach tens of millions of women globally, and we are working on something exciting that's going to bring the power of early detection to women at home. And so this is going to really empower women in the privacy and comfort of their home, just the way we have access to ECG on our watch, the way we have access to, being able to measure our weight and blood pressure at home. Women would be able to assess their breast health at home. What I'm looking forward to and what I'm hopeful about for the next 10 years is to have our innovations reach women in every geography, in every continent. These technologies are designed for scale and access, and they're going to really help save many, many, many lives. Me and my team strongly believe that access to better health should be a right for every person, every woman. And particularly women's cancers like breast cancer and cervical cancer are highly treatable should women get access to this early detection. So it is a common sense, logical thing to make sure that this affordable, access is made possible for women. And that is health equity in action. For UE Life Sciences, IP is the cornerstone of innovation. It's the foundation on which we've built the entire company. This IP allows us to really break barriers in multiple markets and really have our innovation reach multiple countries and millions of women through partnerships, which would not be possible without this IP. And given this global standards around IP protection, it's one of the strongest tools in our armamentarium of competitive advantage.